In our last video, we visited Augusta, Georgia. In this video, we explore Greenville, South Carolina. We stayed at an Airbnb in Spartanburg, and we will give you the tour. We will also show you how charming Spartanburg is as we walk around the small downtown area, roam the community garden, and visit some local parks. Greenville is just a short drive away, so we explore the waterfalls in the downtown area and share our experience chatting with the locals. We hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up.
Hi.
Welcome to our Airbnb.
Thank you.
Look at it. Oh, it's got a little river on the back. Look at this big tree hiding into the place. So we have a nice comfy couch. Yay! And we have a nice bed. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, what do you think? Huh? Yeah.
Downtown Spartanburg.
Hey, I'm Matt,
And I'm Tat.
and welcome to Matt and Tat's Excellent Adventures with baby Mark.
He is so ready to get out of the car. Where are we?
We're in Spartanburg, South Carolina.
And then we're going to
Greenville, South Carolina.
We just had to say that at the same time.
Beans. Where are we at? Spill the beans.
Store, and Mark got a little toy. Where are we?
Alright, so we are downtown Spartanburg.
Yeah.
And it's pretty cool. I'm pretty impressed with it. How, cute it is, and we got good statues over there. Check that out. Kind of like the stores and the little shops they got over here with a nice little park in the middle. Really cool design.
Yeah, it's nice that it's a Saturday and it's like, it feels like it's just us. Yay!
Yeah, doesn't she look great?
I was doing the mom bun for a while, and I said, you know what? I want to have my hair down, but I don't want Mark grabbing on it all the time, so chop chop.
Alright, so now we're in Greenville, South Carolina, and right now we're in the Falls Park, which is actually the #1 destination according to TripAdvisor. So let's go check it out.
Talked with a local. Used to not be so safe around this area, but the last 15 years have really come through, like with a lot more people, and it's beautiful here and safe. And she says North Main, if you're over here, it's the best for a neighborhood and a place to live. And she also said the schools here are pretty cool because they have glass windows instead of walls for other classrooms, so they can kind of see what each other's doing, and they like build robots and things like that. So she said the schools here are really good.
says wow.
Wow. So here we go on to Liberty Bridge. Go ahead.
Uh-oh. Whoa, it's wobbly. Woo.
Greenville. Okay, here's Mark with no diaper because Mama forgot his diaper. So he's going El Commando.
Hey, good morning. Let's go get some herbs for the eggs.
See what we can find in here. Hey!
That's right.
Hey, we're at the community garden here in Spartanburg and we're gonna look around and see what they have.
Just made some pasta with the herbs that we picked from the garden.
That's really delicious.
We are at the Dame Dan Breeden garden entrance and it's also called the Hatcher Garden, so let's go. Say I love trees.
I love trees. I love trees.
Hi. You gonna show them your new toys? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness.
That was fun.
A bit of off-roading here.
Off-roading with the stroller.
Oh, that's nice and paved. All right, we made it. Woohoo! Super Dad. Wow. Hey, look, there's a little free library. So you just take a book and return a book. Mark loves books. Ooh, this one's perfect for him. The night is black. The milk is white. The cat is black. The snow is white. So he has this thing on because there's a lot of bugs, but I'm gonna let him play with this, and if he likes it, he can just keep it.
All right, story time, our favorite time of the times. Imagine, create, pretend. Turn any time into story time. Try this. Tell stories about yourself and your family. Begin with when I was little. Okay. When I was little, my family and I used to go on bike rides every Sunday evening, and it was actually afternoon, and it was amazing. We used to, laugh and have small conversations and just, get a good adventure and get some good exercise. We really enjoyed it. All right, so that's number one. Number two, look around for story ideas. I see this tree, and this tree actually brings back a lot of memories because when I used to live in Tulsa, Oklahoma, we actually had a tree just like this in our backyard. And guess what I would do on the tree?
What?
I would climb the tree. I would go from branch to the top of the tree.
When I was a kid, I would climb all the trees too, babe.
Wow, we're a match made in heaven.
Hey, we hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel by tapping the subscribe button and hit the notification bell too to be notified of the very next video. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.